Before the grasshopper pie, there was the famous grasshopper tart. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, Bellamy. This is my original non-alcoholic recipe in 26. You'll need 30 cookies. Add a tablespoon of sugar and whiz her around and around. Let that melted butter soak in a bit. This recipe fits an 8-inch traditional tart pan and bake for 8 to 10 minutes. It's Jeannie's bottle! Bottle is moving at 4.3 quantum giggle units per second. Purple peach trajectory unpredictable, but likely to bounce off that cliff edge. We intercept here, but watch for minus and minor chaos emissions. Troops, forward for sparkle, strategy, and cupcake justice. For the filling, first bloom your unflavored gelatin in the milk. It only takes like 5 minutes. Our semi-sweet baking chocolate comes in 4-ounce bars, and that's okay because we'll use that last little bit later to decorate. Melt this gently over hot water. Mix in the bloomed gelatin. If it looks grainy like this, everything is too cool. Set it over the hot water for a few minutes and warm it back up. It should look smooth like this. Correction! This is expected chaos! Bounce coefficient exceeded my calculations by 0.7%! Amazing! Add in 2/3 cup of sweetened condensed milk and your peppermint extract. Now set this aside to cool to under 70 degrees. We put it in the fridge and stirred it every once in a while. Extra chaotic energy, perfect for a controlled interception. I'll create a minor anti-gravity field to slow the peach. And I'll channel the bottle towards us with quantum cupcake logic. Add in a 1/3 cup of powdered sugar to your heavy cream there and whisk to soft peaks. There it is. It looks like soft serve ice cream. We're checking our chocolate because if it's too hot, it'll deflate the whipped cream. Add your food gel to your liking. We ended up with 10 drops. For order, sparkle, and frosting protocol! Woo! Wow! He caught the peach! I've calculated a 93.4% chance of temporary stabilization! Got it! For now! Victory in orderly chaos! Reach down to the bottom and bring it to the top. Turn your bowl with each swipe around the sun. Every once in a while, cut down the center to get anything in there that's hiding. It's thick enough we can leave little swirls with the spatula. Isn't that pretty? This is so slow. Poppy! I meant this is unacceptable. We will get that eventually with paperwork. Remember that last ounce of chocolate we didn't use? Make drizzle ganache out of it by mixing it 1-to-1 with hot cream. That's just a sandwich baggie there. Chill it for at least 4 hours. Overnight is best. Top it off with whipped cream rosettes. Wilton 1F. Oh, quantum trajectory secured. Chaos coefficient manageable. And the Bureau can't touch us. Yeah.
Planet Floop, behold your sparkling protectors!